How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the new studio, guys. We did it. We're finally here. We finally finished, and you know what? I think it turned out pretty cool. We have a pretty awesome space now to create some product reviews, and having this dedicated space, I think, is going to allow us to have these product reviews coming out much more frequently. So let's just jump right into the tour of this whole studio. So right behind me here, we have the workbench, and this is a great surface to just show products and just talk about the gear in general and just get a better idea to help you understand really what exactly the product is like. So that's kind of my goal with it. And of course, we're going to be blending actual use cases with it as well, and we're still going to go on our camping trips as usual. But having these studio videos is really going to level up the reviews and give you clarity and depth into what the products are actually like. So yeah, on the left side of the studio, we have all this closed storage here, which is hiding most of the gear right now. Originally, we had all of our gear on a shelf right behind us, and it was all exposed, and it was totally fine and functional just like that. But it didn't look good. We decided to go for some closed storage to keep it nice and neat, and this actually will end up being a backdrop in some of our videos as well. So like, for instance, when we're setting up like an IGT or doing a table review, or maybe even just like a chair review or something like that, we can show it within the studio and have different interesting color contrasts with those nice black steel cabinets with the backboard here. We got white walls on the side, and I haven't showed you guys the back yet. This is kind of what I'm most proud of, and it was really an afterthought on one of the last few days of working on the studio. I was like, you know what we need? I was like, we need some color in here. We need some grass. We need grass. So sure enough, went to Home Depot, we got some turf, and we have a mini camp field in the garage now, and it's pretty cool. I have to say, it really is pretty exciting. Emmett loves the tent in the garage. As soon as I set it up with the grass, he's like, oh, grass. He's like, we got the tent. He's like, we're going camping. Like, it literally felt like the real deal to him out here. Like, he noticed it was a smaller tent, and he just loved it. He loved that he could still stand up in there. It was like his own little camping setup in the garage. So it was pretty sweet, and I actually do plan on doing reviews with this grass as well. So this is going to be used as a little backdrop, or I guess a floor drop, for some of our tables and chairs and whatever else we're reviewing on the ground here. So we can show backpacking tents, smaller tents, of course, like the amenity dome back here. So we don't have a ton of space in here in the studio, but we have space. So we now have space to create these videos, to share product reviews with you guys. I know you guys have been asking for these reviews, and I've been meaning to get to them much quicker than this, but I have to say I'm really happy with how this whole thing came together. What do you guys think? Are you guys excited for the studio? Let me know down below which videos, you urgently are waiting for. Drop a comment down below, and I'll keep those in mind as most urgent too, to get done quicker. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all your support, making this whole thing happen here. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care, guys.